Welcome to the FastCAM PDF to drawing file tutorial. Here we will show you how to convert PDFs to drawing files. Shown on screen is a standard vector-based PDF that we'd like to convert. First though, we need to check that this PDF is valid and can be converted. To check this, we're just going to highlight a section of the PDF as such. And because that can be highlighted, we know that this is a valid vector-based PDF. If we were to try and highlight something and the whole PDF were to turn blue, then it is an image-based PDF and FastCAM cannot convert that. But as this is a valid PDF, we will continue. Opening FastCAM, the first thing you want to do is select the Load PDF option, which can either be found here or here. Next, select the PDF that you want to convert. Give it a bit of time, as PDFs can be quite complex to preview and display. Once it is loaded, you will notice that you need to select either millimeters or inch. This is important for scaling the PDF appropriately. This drawing is in millimeters, so that's what we're going to select. Next, we need to scale the drawing. We have two options here. Line length, which is for a line that we have a known value for, or width or height, when we've got two lines in parallel that we have dimension between. In this case, because we've got so many dimensions down the bottom that are widths, we'll use width or height. I'm going to select this line here on the left, which is a main dimension line, and this line just here on the right, which is dimension down the bottom there. And we need to put in the value, which in this case is 694. And click enter. Now we need to verify that the scaling is correct. Again, we're going to use width or height, and we're going to select this main dimension line here on the left, and we're going to select this dimension line here, which should be about 140. Here it's 140.28, and that's about right. It's at this time that I'll mention that PDF conversion is highly accurate for quoting, but may not be sufficiently accurate for production. So please be aware of this when using the PDF conversion. And when you're done, do check your dimensions to make sure that they're right. So we're going to put a box around the actual part, like so, and FastCAM will begin stripping all the extra entities. As you can see, it's done a pretty good job, just leaving this little bit here. So we'll zoom in and delete that ourselves using the erase window. There you have it, the part's converted. But let's check that the conversion's been valid. So we'll use the Verify Distance tool. And that's about right. We can verify this against the original drawing by hitting F3 on the keyboard, which will load the original drawing in for us. And we see to this point here was 140, but our point was just a little bit shy of that. We'll try and use this point here to do another measurement of 299. So let's do Verify, Add Dimension, and we'll give it down here, and we'll give the X and Y length. So that was supposed to be 299, and it's come out as 299.078, which is pretty accurate. In this case, it's come out very accurate, but again, please be aware of this and check your dimensions if you're going to be cutting this instead of just quoting. Thank you for watching, and have fun converting PDFs to drawing files.